Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we'll be exploring an exciting and important topic: what it takes to travel abroad from Nigeria or from any location that you are currently. Yes, whether it's for vacation, leisure, business, or education or relocation. This video will give you a little guide on what you need to put in place before you start all this process. The first thing you need to first do is your passport. Yes, you can't be thinking that you want to actually travel abroad and you don't have an international passport. You need, even if you have one, you need to check if it has 6 month validity. Check if it has 6 months validity, because most countries require that your passport is valid for at least 6 months and have at least 2 pages on your passport before you travel. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you get the required visa for the location you are going to. Yes. Most things about visa is that you need to first discover the purpose of your travel. Whether you just want to go to your country of choice for vacation or just for a 2 or 1 week tourists to check the attraction center in the location of your choice. After doing this, you need to also discover if you are going for study or relocation. This will guide you on the required documents you need to put in place before you embark on your journey. And requirement varies depending on the purpose of your travel. The requirement for someone going for tourist is actually different from someone going for study or relocation. So make sure you research on you know your purpose of travel. That will guide you on the required document. Another thing you need to take note on is your choice destination. You need to also research on your choice destination. You need to obtain the necessary information you need for this location you are going to. Are you traveling to UK, US, any European country of your choice? Research on the destination. Are they immigrant friendly? Are they tourist friendly? If you are going for study, is their qualification degree obtained there, is it more recognized? All these things are something you need to put in place before you start your journey. Navigating the visa application. The visa application might be a bit intricacy, but once you know the reason why you are traveling, you will know what to do and what to prepare. It's still bound down to knowing your purpose of travel. Not that you just wake up one day and say you want to go to a location. You must be clear of your purpose of travel. The second thing you might need to do, another thing you need to take note of, is that you need to start the application well in advance so that you can give the embassy enough time to review your visa application. Secondly, health and vaccination. Make sure you make research on the health clinic and vaccinations that you need for your destination. Your health is a top priority. Visit a travel health clinic to get advice on vaccination that is required for your choice country, the health precaution for your destination. Don't forget to carry necessary medications along, a copy of your prescription, because you understand your health very well, so you will know what you usually use. Also, the financial planning. This is very, very important. Virtually, you need to know the currency exchange rate and the banking system operating in your country of destination. Financially, preparedness is crucial. Inform your bank about your travel dates to avoid any issue with your cards or your transactions, so that you can prepare ahead. They can advise you if the card you have with you cannot do any international transaction. They can advise you on the card you can use. Plan yourself. You know your budget, know the exchange rate. Accordingly, animate graphics showing your budget breakdown. Break down what you actually want to spend. Consider accommodation, transportation, which is the flight, the meal, and the miscellaneous expenses in your budget. These are so important when you are doing your planning. It guides you. Have a clear financial plan. Ensure a smoother journey. Number 3 or number 4, packing essentials. You need to know what you need to pack. Time elapsed of packing suitcase. Packing can be daunting, but it does not have to be. Yes. Pack essential like travel adapter, appropriate clothing, and don't forget your chargers. Yes, your phone chargers, because you might not be able to get one to charge your phone. Check the weather of your destination for accurate packing, so you will know if you are going to take along some clothes for cold or summer period or winter period. The checklist of your essential item. Make a checklist. Ensure you don't forget anything from travel size, toiletries, to important documents that you need to take along. A well-prepared packing list is your best travel companion. Yes, you need to put all these things in place. Another thing you need to know is the cultural awareness. Clip of cultural diversity. Embrace the richness of the culture. Research and understand very well the local customs and etiquette. You need to be aware of their customs of your destination you are going to. Respect goes a long way in making your international experience memorable. So, check in all the things you need to do. Check very well. Global Spring is a place you need to be. Congratulations as you plan your travel. You are now equipped with the knowledge to make your international travel from Nigeria or from any location of your choice a seamless adventure. Safe travel. And may your journey be fulfilled with unforgettable experience. Oh yes. Don't forget to like this page, drop a comment below, and subscribe. Also, you can let me know any topic you want me to talk about. Bye for now. See you later.